So today's question is, what is going to kill most people in a survival situation, in economic collapse, or the coming hyperinflation? The answer to this question is really simple, but it's not obvious. And the answer to the question is the information that people have to work with. So where do they get this information? Do they get it from books? Do they get it from other people? Do they get it from the internet? Do they get it from YouTube channels? And the sad thing is, most people get their survival information, suggestions, input, and a lot of false information from YouTube channels. So what you find from watching YouTube channels over the years, I started watching them in 2008 and started making content then. It doesn't matter which YouTube channel you watch, how many of them you watch. What you have to do is decide what information suits your situation, your circumstances, what's applicable, and discard the rest. So the end of the story is YouTube channels, whether they're survival, prepping, guns, economic information, investing information, get-rich schemes, YouTube channels are going to kill more preppers than anything you can imagine. And the reason is most of these people are steered on by profit motive, or they just have no practical experience doing much of anything. So the false information, the bravado, and the salesmanship of most prepping YouTube channels, social media channels, is what's going to kill the most preppers in the future. Please rate, comment, subscribe, share your thoughts. We'll see you on the next video.